Hello guys, welcome to a new video, and it's something exciting. That if you follow my Instagram, you've probably seen already what this is about, but we are gonna install the ST Trackparts brake kit. So if you follow me or Simon on Instagram, you know that we've been working on this for quite some time now. We started with the ducts that I installed earlier, and now we got the complete kit ready to go on. So yeah, I took them out just for the sake of this video, but I'm gonna show you how we are gonna install it. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with how they turned out. Me and Simon both wanted to, I don't know, put something we experience with our chassis and make some good product out of it. So like the ducts are plug and play, so you don't have to do anything to make that fit. Only the brake backing plate is something you have to modify. At least you don't need to modify anything, but you need to remove the old one from the car. But these are plug and play, and then we got the tubing and all the brake of the hose clamps. So as you can see, they are marked. Zoom in, right, left. So they are attached with these. You bolt these to your car. So in the OEM places, let me show you. There are like 1, 2, 3, 4 on both sides. That's on every bumper with the fog lights. Then these are very strong magnets, and you have 4 of them. So mount it like that. I'm gonna put this on the car, and then I'm gonna show you how to put the ducts in. So that's what we are gonna do first, the easy part, putting the fog light ducts in, and then we are gonna move on to the backing plate and running all the hoses. So yeah, the OEM hole, put it in. And you do that with all the 8, 4 on each side. So once you've done that, you're just gonna take the intake and it's into place. So the magnets are really strong, so you can't get it out easy. So yeah, that's how you get it out. But the magnets are really strong, so that's something very positive. And you don't need to drill or modify anything on your car to make it fit. So it's a very nice solution. Now we are going to do the right side. Same story. Right side is on the duct itself. Boom. It's in. So for the next part, it's going to be a little bit more complicated. Not really, but not as easy as the ducts. So we are going to take the wheel off, and we are going to take the brakes off, so we can reach the OEM dust plate. We can remove that, and then we can bolt on the new one. So yeah, let's take the brakes and everything off, and we can get the old dust plate off. So as you can see, the stock one is in pretty bad shape. This is already, yeah, this is already cracked. So there are 3 bolts, one here, one at the bottom. That's what you use to attach the new one. And also it's stuck, it stays on here. So what you need to do is undo the 3 bolts and then cut it here, so you can take it off like that. So first things first, I don't have new bolts. I don't know. They're 11mm bolts, but they're really small. But if you can find them, I suggest using new bolts, because new is always better. especially with the old stuff like this. So, as you can see, old junk, rusty as hell, all rusty over this. So, what you are, Jesus. So, what I think a good thing to do is clean this up. We don't want to leave this, so I'm gonna vacuum that up and then put some brake cleaner, clean it here, and then we can start with the exciting part, and that is mounting the brake kit. So, yeah, old dusty plate. If your E36 never replaced them, they're basically crap. So I can bend them so easily. They're so rusty, and they're rusting all over the inside where your ABS is. So yeah, let's start cleaning a little. Then we can put the new one in. Okay. We have the mega fancy new one. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. So as you can see, I put the caliper back on because now we are gonna route the tubing, and for that we need to put the wheel on so we can see how far we need to go that way, so we don't hit the wheel when it's full lock left, full lock right. So smart thing to do, I think, is just get the tubing, make a route, and then see, put the wheel on and see what we are, if we are hitting, yes or no. So okay, we sort of have it in place. Of course the tubing is way too long, so we need to cut that down, but we're just gonna test with the routing here, if we need to put it lower, more into the inside, or if this is fine. So I'm gonna turn the wheel all the way to the left and then all the way to the right and see yeah, how far we are getting left and right, how much space we have left. So as you can hear, I'm gonna have to put the tubing a little bit more inwards so we don't hit anything, or we don't hit the tubing on the inside. So yeah, I pretty much knew it when I put it in, but I just wanted to test it for sure. Okay, I put the hose clamp on the rear of this so you can take it off. Now we are gonna route it more beneath the chassis. So what we are gonna do now is I put it pretty solid. So I'm gonna see if we can put the wheel outwards and it will extend enough and doesn't pull the hose. Yep, definitely pulled, so we definitely need more tubing there. So we put the routing a little different, but yeah, it's not hitting anything. I mean, it's not hitting the tubing, so that's pretty awesome. I got like 1 finger of space left between the tubing and the tire, so I think that's enough. So I'm tighten all the hose clamps, and then we're gonna move on to the other side, which is gonna be a lot easier because I already removed the old one for testing purposes. So one side done, just gonna button the hose clamps, and then we are gonna move on to the left side. So I put the hose clamp on, and yeah, everything should be good to go now. everything is tightened properly. That's tight. Routing is good. So now we're gonna put the wheel on and we can move on to the other side. But now it's time to put the plate on. So this on the top, as you can see, it's a little bit curved to the outside and completely welded around, so no air can escape. We got some nice airflow. So pretty much the same as the other side. So that's it for this video. We fitted the entire brake kit. One side we had to cut off the old one, and one side we didn't, luckily. So you can see, yeah, you can see it right there. Tubing all the way here, coming to the back of the vented disc, so it's cooling right on the perfect spot. As you can see here, the duct, perfect fitment, and if you can see inside, there's the tubing. But you can also see it from this side, so tubing running right into the discs. So that's pretty epic. Also this side. Very nice. So we try to make it the best quality possible for the price. So yeah, I'm pretty stoked with how everything turned out. The ducts are really nice design, high quality, and also the plates are very nice. I'm very happy we made them black instead of keeping them aluminium. So they are aluminium, so they're very light and also durable. So you can get them now at trackparts.com. I'll put the link in the description. I'm sure if you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen some stuff we do, but yeah, it's something very exciting that me and Simon started, and so much fun to do. So if you want to get this brake cooling kit yourself, you can get them at trackparts.com. Put the link in the description. Even if you don't want it, check the website out, leave some feedback. Yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.